Hello everyone. Right now I'm creating a video that's gonna outline how you're gonna install MySQL on the Mac OS. I received a couple of emails regarding this, so I decided it's best for you guys if I could just make a small video. I could just record my screen and I could just show it to you. I usually use Mac and Windows both, but usually I've heard that the Mac guys have a bit more problems in the installation. So I decided a video for Mac, but if you guys request, I can make one for Windows as well. So it's the same thing. In case you want it, you can just tell me and I can make it. So in order to do this, first of all, just open Google, then do MySQL download Mac. You'll get the first result from MySQL itself. So just go over there to the MySQL community server. Then go to the DMG archive. That's the one we want to download. We can download all of them, but it's just a personal preference, I'd say. I just download the DMG. Go to downloads. No thanks. Start my download, and you get your download. So you just download that. I did it beforehand, just so that you guys can save a bit time. So I downloaded that. You guys are going to download that. Once it's done, just open the DMG file, and it's removed because I moved it to a new folder. Sorry, my bad. So yeah, so I have it in a folder, and just open wherever it is and just go through the file. So the file is opening, and once it's open, just open the packaged file, continue. I totally agree. 1.16 gigs, install, enter your password, install. So hopefully the first two labs that require SQL should be easy. They aren't that difficult, but still, if you have any queries, you can always ask me or Professor Yuan, either of us. So this is a very important part because this is the password that the SQL installer shows. This is the password that you have to use when you're prompted later on. So it's very important that you note this password down right now, or maybe just take a screenshot of it, however you're comfortable. I, however, will just copy this into a Word file. Well, my Microsoft did not work and it crashed. Oh, it's up again, but thank you, Microsoft. So I'm just using the text editor. I'm just gonna paste my password right here. And once I've kept this password for future use, just click OK, let this go, close this from here. So MySQL has been installed. Just to check it, go to your Apple icon, system preferences. Whenever you go to system preferences, you can see the MySQL down there, right here. Just go to it, and in case the MySQL instance is not running, you can just run it by clicking this button. If it's not running, it's going to say start MySQL server, so you can just start it from there. Now once you're done with that, once we're done with installing SQL and noting down that temporary password, we're good to go. Open your command prompt and just type user local bin, MySQL bin MySQL, U for user, root, P for password, and then we're just going to enter that password. I've copied it and I'm pasting it right now, and enter. So our MySQL is working. However, you gotta know the thing that when we start, let's say I'm just gonna run a very small command like show databases. Oh, spelling errors. No, yeah. So whenever I execute the command for the first time, it says that you got to alter your password using alter user. So basically, it is so that you can change your temporary password that MySQL just gave you and change it to a password that you can easily remember, because I'm pretty sure it's not good, not convenient to each and every time go to that folder, copy that password, and then paste it. So we're simply gonna just type in set password equals to password, and then I'm setting this as password in a small case. However, you can put in any password that you like, which is comfortable to you, and that's it. So now whenever I want to log in, MySQL will run with the password called password. not very clear, but yeah. So I'm gonna just do that again. I'm just gonna show you that databases works now. So show databases, it works. So MySQL is now working. And just to exit, we type exit, we're out of there. We can do this again, and now we're gonna log in with password. So this time I entered password as the password and not that temporary password, so it works. So that's it for this video. And in case you want a video for the Windows part, you can email me, or I'll just post instructions for the Mac as well as Windows by tonight or hopefully tomorrow. So you guys can have a better, you can have actually more time to solve the SQL labs and get familiarized with SQL itself.